Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your trusted source for expert motorcycle reviews, detailed comparisons, and honest insights from the world of two wheels. Today we're exploring one of Honda's most anticipated midweight adventure bikes, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. For decades, Honda's CRF line has been synonymous with durability, versatility, and off-road dominance. From motocross tracks to rugged trails, the CRF badge carries a legacy of reliability and performance. Now, with the 2026 CRF 750L, Honda takes that heritage and combines it with touring comfort, advanced technology, and a road-ready chassis. The result is a motorcycle that promises to redefine the midweight adventure segment, powerful, agile, and ready for any terrain. Engine and performance. At the core of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L lies a brand new 749cc parallel twin engine, derived from Honda's latest middleweight platform. This liquid-cooled DOHC unit delivers around 80 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque, giving it the perfect balance between power and control. With a 270-degree crankshaft, the CRF 750L produces that signature V-twin-like rumble while maintaining smooth, linear torque delivery, ideal for both highway cruising and technical trail riding. Honda's engineers have focused on lightweight internals and optimized fuel mapping, ensuring crisp throttle response and reduced engine vibration. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, featuring an assist and slipper clutch for smooth downshifts, and Honda's optional dual-clutch transmission, DCT, for riders who prefer seamless automatic gear changes. The DCT system, refined from the Africa Twin series, allows effortless transitions between manual and automatic modes, perfect for long-distance travel or demanding terrain, with a top speed of around 200 km/h, 1 to 24 mph, and an average fuel efficiency of 26 km per liter. The CRF 750L offers a practical range of nearly 500 kilometers thanks to its 19-liter fuel tank. It's built to go the distance, whether you're crossing cities, deserts, or forests. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L embodies pure rally DNA. Inspired by the Dakar-winning CRF 450 Rally, it features an aggressive yet functional design. The tall stance, sharp lines, and rugged frame geometry give it a commanding presence. The front end is dominated by twin LED headlights and a vertically stacked windscreen, offering both visibility and aerodynamic efficiency. The fuel tank and side panels are designed to provide a narrow midsection for better control while standing on the pegs, while the rear subframe is modular, allowing easy mounting of luggage, panniers, or tail racks. Honda has clearly designed this bike for adventure touring, blending practicality with athletic styling. High-mounted fenders, robust skid plates, and handguards come standard, ensuring protection during off-road riding. The color schemes reflect the CRF spirit: extreme red rally, matte desert tan, and white pearl adventure, all featuring bold Honda graphics. The fit and finish live up to Honda's standards, with high-quality materials and an overall rugged yet refined aesthetic that perfectly balances form and function. Suspension and handling. The CRF 750L is built on a semi-double cradle steel frame, designed for durability and flex control. The geometry is tuned to handle both off-road challenges and highway stability. The suspension setup features Showa 45mm inverted front forks with 230 mm of travel and a Pro-Link rear monoshock offering 220 mm of travel, both fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound. This generous suspension travel gives the bike the ability to soak up rocks, bumps, and rough terrain effortlessly while maintaining composure on paved roads. The wheel setup, a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, solidifies its dual sport identity, allowing maximum traction and obstacle clearance. Weighing in at just 205 kilograms, wet, the CRF 750L feels nimble and well-balanced. The ground clearance of 250mm makes it ideal for off-road exploration, and the seat height of 850mm strikes a good compromise between accessibility and adventure ergonomics. The braking system consists of dual 310mm front discs and a 256mm rear disc, paired with switchable ABS and cornering control. Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, adds extra confidence on slippery surfaces, ensuring precise grip even when the trail gets unpredictable. Technology and features: the 2026 CRF 750L packs advanced technology without overwhelming simplicity. The centerpiece of the cockpit is a 6-inch full-color TFT display, offering smartphone connectivity via Honda Road Sync. Through Bluetooth integration, riders can access turn-by-turn navigation, calls, and music directly from the handlebar-mounted switchgear. The electronics suite includes multiple riding modes: Tour, Urban, Gravel, and Off-Road, each adjusting throttle sensitivity, traction control, and ABS settings. Riders can also save custom configurations through User Mode, allowing full personalization. Additional features include cruise control, USB-C charging port, full LED lighting, and keyless ignition. Optional accessories such as heated grips, luggage kits, and engine guards make it ready for extended travel. Honda has also added a ride-by-wire throttle and wheelie, control for enhanced safety and control during aggressive acceleration or technical climbs. Comfort and touring capability. The CRF 750L is not just built for dirt, it's designed for long days in the saddle. The ergonomics are upright, natural, and optimized for both seated comfort and standing control. The wide handlebars, slim midsection, and plush seat foam allow for fatigue-free rides even on challenging terrain. The adjustable windscreen offers excellent wind protection, while the aerodynamic bodywork channels air smoothly around the rider. The bike's balanced weight distribution ensures minimal strain during long-distance riding or when tackling tricky off-road sections. Passenger comfort has been improved as well, with a larger padded rear seat and integrated grab rails. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or riding across continents, the CRF 750L offers a perfect mix of comfort and endurance. Price and competition. Honda is expected to launch the 2026 CRF 750L with a starting price around $10,499 USD, positioning it squarely between the Honda NX 500 and the Africa Twin 1100. Its closest rivals include the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 690 Enduro R, and Aprilia Touareg 1660. What sets the CRF 750L apart is Honda's trademark balance, a bike that's simple, tough, and dependable. It delivers adventure performance without being intimidating and comfort without unnecessary weight. In short, it's designed for riders who want one machine that does it all. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L perfectly embodies the spirit of adventure. It's fast, lightweight, and durable, built to handle everything from weekend trails to cross-country expeditions. With its refined twin-cylinder engine, advanced electronics, and off-road-focused chassis, it fills the gap between dual-sport agility and touring sophistication. Honda has created a bike that appeals to both seasoned adventurers and newcomers looking to step into the midweight adventure class. It's more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of freedom and versatility, a machine that invites you to explore the unknown. Thanks for watching Bike Review Pro. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews, comparisons, and insights from the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, chase the horizon, and keep your adventure spirit alive.